Hello YouTube and welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna address a problem I've encountered with a Banggood part that I've bought. So this is what I'm having the problem with, as you can hear when I shake it. Something is not right. I have had this running for approximately 2 hours, and when I plug it in now, the LED is not lighting up and nothing is working. So this was very cheap, and the exact price will be on screen right now, but like I see some dent right here, as you can see. This, I don't think it's on, should be there. I think it's a heat related problem. That's also, I think it's solder in there, which has gone loose, or a component or something, but I will have to open it to check. So as you can see, I've cracked it open now, and it smells very not how it should, but there is a capacitor in there, so I might have to be a bit careful. Yeah, I can already see the problem. So you see this right here? This little plastic bit in here is broken off of this little guy. Normally it's completely closed, but this is the part that is broken. I'm not going to replace this. I could if I needed to, but it was so cheap that I'm just gonna buy a new one, or a better one to be specific. And if I just see where it has been on, yeah, as you can see, the heat dent that I was talking about, that heat dent came from this module here, which appears to be a 13003 of some sort. I don't know what that is at this point. Oh, it says something more on the back. Okay, so a W and then the numbers. But yeah, do not buy this power supply, or do it at your own risk. Because also, just look at these thin wires. Do not, and I repeat, do not use this power supply. It is not worth it, and it might actually short out just your LED strip, for example. I don't think it has shorted out mine, but just be cautious with these, because it can be dangerous. It could also have burned down if it had been under a blanket or a carpet. For that sake, it could have burned out my house. So be cautious with these, and they are from Banggood. I can leave a link to the exact part down below, but please don't go ahead and buy it.